Now I'm going to show you how to add content with photographs to the Windows Live Writer. I'm going to double click Internet Explorer. I'm going to try to find something interesting to put on the website, so I'm going to type news for natives. I'll pick this first one, Indian Country Today. Now in the search bar of there, I'm going to type in the words Dakota. This looks good. Medal of Honor finally bestowed upon Sioux soldier. I'm going to click that, and starting from the top, I'm going to go to the very left of the M in master. I'm going to click my left mouse button and hold that button down, and I'm going to move straight down. Notice that this is highlighting all the text. Now keep your left mouse button down. If you go down too far, you can move up. If you're up too far, you can move down. Wait till you highlight everything exactly the way that you want it. Then let go of the mouse button. Go up to the very top, select Edit, click Copy, minimize this screen, double click Windows Live Writer, right click, and select Paste. Now the story that we've just found is saved here. So I'm going to go back to our page. If you look here, it says click to enlarge. So I'm going to click this picture and enlarge it. I'm going to right click the picture, select Save As. I'm going to browse to my desktop, and I'm going to save it as something that I can remember. George Bush honors Native American. I'm going to click Save, and now this picture is on our desktop. I'm going to exit out of there. I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to click where I want that picture to be. We'll say right there before the on. I'm going to hit Enter to bring that down. 2. I'm going to use my arrow key to move that cursor up 1. I'm going to click on Insert Picture, and again I'll browse to my desktop, and here's George Bush Honors Native American. So I'll click that once to select it, and I'm going to click Insert. As you notice, it's already reduced the size of it. So now I can go over here to the layout, and I can select inline or left or right. I'm going to select left. I'm going to go to the margins. I'm going to select custom margins, and on the right, if you'll watch the text next to the picture, I can increase or decrease the margin. I like a number 5. For the borders, we can have photo paper or shadow. I'm going to select shadow because I like that. Now here's a very important thing. The photo is smaller, a little too small to see. So it's called a thumbnail. By clicking this photograph, the reader will be able to see the large version, and that's called the source picture. So under source picture, I'm going to click Options, and the size I'm going to change to original so that it will be the original size. I'm also going to select Open in New Window. That way they don't get taken away from our page. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to select Save Settings as Default. Now next time that you do this, you won't have to adjust these settings because these settings are now the default. Experiment a little, click on Advanced and Effects, and you'll see different things that you can do with the images, from transformations, changing it to black and white, and sepia, overlays, etc. But for now, we're just going to leave it as it is. I'm going to go back to the page where we found the news. I'm going to highlight just the title this time. I'll come up here and I'll click Copy, go back into the website, click on Title, right click, Paste. Now here's a very important thing. Go down to the very bottom and select what category you want it to be in. With this one, we could either put it in news and politics, or we could put it under people. Now you can come down here to the keywords and try to think of some keywords that aren't already in the story, things that Google and Yahoo can pick up on, things that if people are searching for these words will bring them to your site. For instance, natives in the war, American Indians in the military, and finally Native American heroes. Now for the excerpt, sometimes if another site grabs this story and puts it on their news site, they might show just an excerpt of it. So let's find something interesting in here. This looks good. There were terrible moments that encompassed a lifetime, an endlessness, when terror was so strong in me that I could feel idiocy replace reason. So we'll highlight that, right-click, copy, excerpt, right-click, paste. If that doesn't get somebody interested in reading this, I don't know what will. Now we'll go up and click on Publish, and it's publishing it to the website. It automatically opens the website for us, and if we look on the right hand side, Medal of Honor finally bestowed upon Sioux soldier. We'll click that to see what it looks like, and there it is. We'll click the photograph, and it opens up nice and big for anybody to see. And that's how to add a post with a photograph to your website.